Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce Mexican. Roast peppers over high heat until charred, remove skins, then toast cumin and garlic briefly. Blend peppers with vinegar, salt, and a splash of water to reach the desired texture. Simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes to meld flavors, cool, strain if desired, and bottle in sanitized jars for up to several weeks refrigerated. Start by prepping ingredients and equipment, including a blender and clean jars. Stem and seed peppers if you prefer milder heat, or leave seeds for intense spice. Roast peppers and aromatics, then blend with vinegar, salt, and a little water until smooth. Taste and adjust salt or vinegar to balance heat. Simmer briefly to marry flavors, cool, and bottle for immediate use or refrigeration to develop more depth. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you roast peppers or grill meats, and its leak-proof design saves your equipment from spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a handy tool for busy cooks. Now let's get back to the video. Play with flavors to match your meals and mood. A touch of sweetness brightens heat while herbs add freshness. If you want smoky depth, include roasted tomatillo or smoked paprika. For a silkier mouthfeel, finish blending with a tablespoon of neutral oil or a splash of water. Always taste and tweak with small adjustments of salt, acid, or heat until the sauce sings with balance and personality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.